Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different. Got a set of door cards from it's a VW Fastback and it's an early one. UK, right on drive. And apparently there's only, I think, 6 left in the world of the UK registered ones of this age. And these door cards you can't buy anymore. And the owner of the vehicle would like to use the original door cards. He has quite a lot of vehicles and he likes originality. So he's asked me if I can bring these cards back to life. As you can see at the minute, they're not in the best of conditions. They've got a bit of water damage. I'll just show you on the back. You can see that it's had water in the car, and someone in its past has tried to repair it. They've used gaffer tape, as you can see from the remnants of the tape, to try and keep the door card in place, or the fabric on the door card in place. It's obviously not worked, but over time the vinyl has shrunk and has become quite dry, and it's lost its flex. So it's shrunk back and it's come away. So what I need to do is to make this vinyl a bit more flexible. So I'm going to use a bit of heat for that. But the first job is I'll take off any remaining clips that are still on the card, just so I've got a flat surface to work with. And these are not in the way. So they're all off now. I'm going to leave the handle and armrest on for now, just so it's got some attachment onto the vinyl. If I remove this handle, the whole thing might fall off, and then it's going to make life a little bit harder to try and put it into the right position. But obviously it's in the right position at the minute because it's held on mechanically via this this grab handle. Wish me luck. So you can try this yourself if you've got a door card that is in a similar condition but you don't have a steamer. You can use a hairdryer. It will do the job. The thing about a steamer is, you know the temperature. It's 100 degrees, which won't damage the vinyl. It won't put too much heat in it and melt the vinyl. So I'm just softening the vinyl in a minute. So I'm just doing the corners first because they're the most important thing. The corners, so plenty of heat. And I should be able to just stretch these. I have to be very careful not to overstretch it and damage the vinyl, potentially tear it. So the vinyl is going to cool down pretty quickly, so I'm only going to get a couple of staples in at a time before it goes too cool to work with. It's going to be a slowish process. Just flip it over and check it. That's not too bad. So that's the first corner done. So I'm going to work on the other corner now. So this end is the worst end. So it'll be quite quick before it cools down. So I will do down this edge next. Check it again. This one's going to be the hardest one, I think. So we're probably going to have a bit of distortion on this, along this edge. It's going to be quite hard to actually keep that completely straight, but I'll do what I can. Last corner. This doesn't need quite as much. So there we go, that's the corners done. I'm going to do this top edge next, all the way along here, and then I'll do the bottom. It's got a little bit of damage here, there's not much I can do about that. Flip it over again and check it. Not looking too bad. So there's a tiny tear just here, I don't know if you can see it, so I'm going to have to pull that a little bit further around. That's that top edge done. There's a slight wobble in it just about here where this is, which I've kind of expected. So just the bottom edge to do. So that's all the stapling around the edge done. What I need to do now is to remove this handle. Put it to one side. So I need to do these bits here. So that's all the stapling around the edge done. Still need to do this bit yet where the pocket goes. And I still need to get the door card as flat as I can. You can see here where it's not flat. Here also where it's not flat. So I'll do the pocket aperture. So that's the vinyl sorted out. I now need to sort out the card. It's a little bit misshapen, just from water. Hardboard and water don't really go together. The card ends up a different shape. So I'm going to use steam again. I'm going to steam the back of the card and then put a board on top, clamp the board down, leave it for a little while, let the card dry out, and hopefully that should sort out a lot of the major twists in the card. It won't be perfect, but it'll be much better. It'll fit on the door much better than if I didn't do this. So I'm going to turn the steamer on again and clamp this card down. I'm not trying to do the whole card at once, I'm just going to do it bit by bit. So this is the worst bit here, so I'll do this bit first. The card needs to be quite hot for this, and then when it cools, it should cool to be flatter, because I'm using lots of steam. So that's now clamped. I'm going to leave that for maybe half an hour-ish, let it cool down properly. Take the board off and then see how it is. It should be better. Whether it's really flat is a different matter, but it'll definitely be much better than it was. So I'll come back to that in about half an hour. I'll see you then. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, hit that bell and subscribe please. Thank you very much. So while I wait for the door card to flatten, cool down, I'll clean the pocket off, ready for reattaching. Once I take the board off, I'll reattach the pocket, and that card will be fixed. So that's about as flat as I'm going to get the card. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. So now I need to do the pocket, so I'll staple the pocket on and that'll be done. So now I need to put the handle on. So that is that card done. So I just need to do the same with the other card, and then that's ready to go back to the customer. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope to see you again. Bye.